Hey, what's up guys, I'm Micheal King, back again with another analysis video. So this video I'm going to be analyzing the CADJPY, and as you can see this is CADJPY on the daily time frame. I already marked some key levels on CADJPY. So I'm going to explain these levels I marked on this currency pair. So let me start all the way from this period. You can see that there's an upward movement on CADJPY during this period, and it was rejected at this point, meaning that we had a resistance level at this point until price eventually broke this level and we had a new resistance level on this point. So this level rejected price the first time, also rejected price the second time until price eventually broke it and price went up all the way to this point. So currently on CADJPY, this is the major resistance level on CADJPY, and as you can see, it rejected price the first time and also the second time. So when price rejected the second time, price fell down all the way to this point, and this previous resistance level right here has stand as a support level at this point, also at this point, and the third attempt right here. So let me switch to the H4 time frame to show you how you should trade the CADJPY. So this is CADJPY on the H4 time frame, and as you can see, this is the major resistance level right here. And when price rejected at this major support level, you can see that price making an attempt to get back to this major resistance level. So when price gets to this major resistance level, if you see a rejection candle, you can place a sell stop order right below it and make sure that you apply your proper risk management and be careful of this major support level right here. But if price broke this major resistance level, you can place an aggressive buy stop order right above it, or if you are a conservative trader, you can wait for price to go up a little bit. Maybe price will trace down to this resistance level, and if you see rejection, you can place a buy stop order. So that's all on CADJPY analysis. If you did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button, share to your friends, and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.